Go. What's the problem there? Good. Push the X guard, push the X guard down, push the X guard down. Leg push down. Yes, back step. Nice. Tight. Get 2 or 3 points from there, go. Very sexy. Fast. Yes, stack. Flat, your hips must be flat. Yeah, fast one. Yes, don't very much. Yes, good. Almost. Open cannot use number 2. Yeah, good. Get the pants. Don't worry about that. Get the pants first. We want to get the pants. Watch. Once you get the pants, you stand. Scroll back. Hey. Watch the whole bladder, bro. Cover the hands. Good. Pause. Play. Pause. Come on. Pause it too. Go. Yes, sir. Doesn't necessarily have to be body lock all the time. Look, he's controlling your posture, so you need to get rid of the arm. Yes. You need your posture back. Yes. Whip over your head. Under. Yes, sir. Good. Get back. Don't let him over your head. Good. Watch the omoplata. Hands, legs ready there. Scroll back. Whip under the leg. Let's go. Come on. Nice, sir. Use your shoulder pressure down to the top leg. Pressure to the right leg. Settle down. Get back your arm first. Don't let go of the leg. Get back your arm. Or you can cross over his head, whichever you want. Yes, sir. Good. Keep going. Keep crossing. Nice. Good. Force, Khalid. Push the arm again. Posture, scroll back. Hey. Don't enter inside. Legs over his head. Let's go. Circle. Keep circling. Hey. Something ready. Walk through. Second. Release the arm first. Relax. Good. That. Bro, abstract, bro. Slowly, pop. Get you ready. Dangerous. That's That's
Oh, that's wrong. Like next,
yeah. Last time he looked now. Relax, very good. Let's go 50 seconds, go. Go, Khalid. Okay, Khalid. Oh, Khalid. Force what you want to play, go. Yes. Immediately give, come on. Yes, good. Back step. Yes, good. Beautiful pass. Relax. He's gonna roll or he's gonna go. Watch your leg. Watch his leg. His far leg. Good. Don't climb on the back. Relax. Get the collar. Fight and fight. Secure. Good. Bring it to the side. Yes, beautiful. Switch side. Nice. Nice. Push the knee. Hey. Black belt cannot go among the road. Nice. Beautiful.
Nice. That was what?
6 minutes. Yeah.
The last one, I mean.
No, let's go.
Let me
Try and space it. So when you learn things, during sparring, you have to force. Or like certain position, like I said just now, like, because we're working on how to defeat the butterfly. So if you want people to straight to a butterfly, you gotta force it. Why not? Then you immediately on butterfly button. But not every time you do that, because people will start to know about it. So try to fake, get one minute, pass through this one, the second, last time. Cannot one dimension. Open up. So we learn three, right? Posture. But when you start control posture, it's for the advanced skills. Because that's what he wants. He wants your posture to be down, then suddenly it will. Okay, boss.
Five enough.
Yesterday we came in how long? 5.
Five.
How long?
Cost rolling like.